I was the boy who hid in the back of the class, the one who never raised his hand, the one everyone forgot was there. Shyness was my prison until I found the courage to break free. Subscribe to JA Info Urdu for daily English confidence stories. Being shy isn't just about being quiet. It's about feeling invisible, feeling like your voice doesn't matter, feeling like you're not good enough. That was me. In every English class, I sat in the last row. I avoided eye contact. I prayed the teacher wouldn't call on me. When she did, my face turned red, my hands shook, my voice came out as a whisper, and everyone waited while I struggled. I hated it. I hated being shy, but I didn't know how to change. One day, my teacher said something that changed my life. She said, "Being shy is okay, but staying shy is a choice." Those words hit me hard. I realized I was choosing to stay shy, choosing to hide, choosing to stay small. That day, I decided to change, not overnight, but slowly, step by step. I started practicing alone, in my room, where no one could see me, where no one could judge me. Every morning, I spoke to my mirror. I pretended I was giving a presentation. I introduced myself. I talked about my hobbies. I practiced being confident. Hello everyone, my name is, I am happy to be here. Today I will share something with you. At first, even talking to myself felt scary, but I kept going every day, 5 minutes, then 10, then 15. I also practiced with recordings. I recorded my voice and listened. At first, I hated how I sounded, but slowly I got used to it. Then I took a bigger step. I started speaking in class. Just one sentence at first. My heart raced, my voice shook, but I did it. The next week, I said 2 sentences, then 3. Each time was scary, but each time got easier. My classmates started noticing me, not because I was perfect, but because I was trying, and that made me proud. After 6 months, I volunteered to give a presentation. Me, the shy boy, standing in front of the class, speaking English for 5 minutes. Was I nervous? Yes. Did I make mistakes? Yes. But did I do it? Yes. And that's what mattered. I proved to myself that I could, that shyness doesn't have to be forever, that courage can be built. Here's what I learned. Shyness is not permanent. It's just a habit, and habits can change with practice. Start alone, practice in private, build confidence where it's safe, then slowly step into the world. You don't have to become loud, you just have to become brave, brave enough to speak, brave enough to try. If a shy boy like me can do it, so can you. Start today, speak to your mirror, practice your voice, build your courage. Subscribe to JA Info Urdu and transform your shyness into strength, because being shy is okay, but hiding your voice is not. Speak today. Your confident self is waiting.